Hi there. Today in this video, I will be unboxing and demoing all of the features and showing you how to jumpstart a car using two different methods with this LOKITHOR J400 Jump Starter. Now, if you're just curious about how to jumpstart a car using this device, just skip to this timestamp here. First things first, let's start with the unboxing. The box looks very sleek and modern and high quality with a black and red design. It comes with a cardboard sleeve, and after removing that sleeve, you can open the box. Right on top, you get the manual, the customer support card. Then we have the jump starter itself and a USB Type-C cable, and then the jump clamps. Here's a close-up of each item. You have here the customer support card, then we've got the user manual. It is in full color and it's super detailed. It has all the information you need to know in a very concise and understandable format. Here's the USB Type-C cable that's included. And now you have the jump clamps. They are clearly color-coded. We have the red positive and the black negative. These clamps look and feel very high quality and feature pure copper grips. The other end then plugs into the J400 Jumpstart unit. Here's the unit itself. As you can see, I've got the red version. In front, you've got the display and the power button, light button, and the M button. When you short press the power button, the unit turns on and it shows you the battery level. On the back, we have some valuable information, including error codes. On the left side, we've got the charging port and a USB port for charging other devices. On the front, we've got LED lights. To turn these lights on, you hold the light button in front, then short press to cycle through all the lighting modes, including SOS. And after, you press it once more and it turns it off. It is actually really bright and I'm very impressed. There's a flap between the two LEDs. That is where you plug in the jump clamps. But first, I will be demoing the charging capabilities. Here, when I'm charging this phone, it shows how much power is being discharged. And now when I'm charging the unit back up, it shows how much power is being charged. And now for the segment everybody has been waiting for, how to jumpstart a car. First, I'm going to plug the jump clamp cables into the unit. Then I'm going to connect the negative and the positive clamps on the respective terminals on the battery. Then I'm going to start the unit by pressing the power button on the jump starter itself. It's going to count down from 10 to analyze. When you see the voltage indicator, which is this green light blinking, that means it's ready to start. After a successful startup, we can hold the power button to turn off the unit. Then we safely remove our clamps. And that is the first method. And now here's the second method. First, we put the clamp on the negative terminal. Then we turn on the unit by pressing the power button on the jump starter, after which we hold down the M button until you see the lights blinking. Then we connect the positive and then we start the car. Afterwards, we can turn off the unit and disconnect the clamps. If the first method doesn't work, you probably need to try the second. And that's it. Overall, everything worked as advertised. This is a very high quality jump starter. It's solidly built and I'm very impressed. I do recommend it.